Iron is a mineral that most people are deficient in, and it is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. So let's make an iron-rich recipe today. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen, we create healthy, delicious recipes to support you and your loved ones on your own unique health journey. Today we're going to be making iron-rich lentil meatballs. Let's begin by taking 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, and to it we're going to add 3 tablespoons of filtered water. Stir it together and then set it aside to thicken. To your food processor, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of chopped up red onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1/2 of a cup of chopped up walnuts. Next we have 1/2 of a cup of chopped up mushrooms. I'm using portobello, but you're welcome to use your favorite type here. 1/4 of a cup of fresh chopped up parsley. Next we have our spices. I have 1½ tablespoon of curry powder, 1/2 of a teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The last ingredient we're going to add is our thickened up flaxseed mixture. Pulse the ingredients together until a paste-like texture forms. Add in 1 15-ounce can of drained lentils, which are high in iron, and then pulse again just a few times to incorporate. Scrape your mixture into a large mixing bowl, and then add in 2 tablespoons of almond flour and mix together. Test to see if you can form the meatballs. If the mixture is not holding its shape, just simply add in more almond flour 1 tablespoon at a time. You can stick the mixture into the refrigerator for an hour just to make this process easier. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then form the mixture into meatballs. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes, turning them halfway through baking. The moment of truth is here. We're going to give these a taste. But before I do, I wanted to talk about some serving ideas. So I'm serving it over a bed of lettuce with some fresh avocado, and then pairing it with that delicious dressing we made together last week, the detoxifying cilantro lemon dressing. Also, you could serve it over your favorite gluten-free noodles or rice. Maybe pair it with that spicy lemon yogurt sauce we made with the fruit spring rolls, or just have them on their own and squeeze them with some fresh lemon juice. All of those are some really great ideas. I'm sure you probably could come up with even more. So let's give it a taste. I'm going to add some of the dressing over top and try not to make too big of a mess here as I try it. Let's see. Try to get everything in the bite. I love the spiciness of these meatballs, and then with that cilantro lemon sauce, it's so good. This is such a fun, different twist on maybe a meal for an evening. Maybe you want to double or triple this recipe and save some in the freezer so you can just pop them in the oven when you're ready to have something to eat. I hope you give this a try. Also, you could also make these into patties. So if you wanted to turn this into a burger instead of these meatballs, definitely try it that way too. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, I appreciate you. Take amazing care of yourself this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.